rolling time plan. It's a very good idea to have a rolling time plan, meaning you're updating it from time to time. It's the most important things that will happen is in that plan. And how long time you need for this depends on your business and so on. The cafeteria example we're talking about is maybe 1 month when they're up and running, because it takes it's quite the same most time. But they also have to, of course, have a yearly plan for certain events like Christmas and summer holidays and other special events where there might be things that happen that will have an effect on what's happening in the cafeteria. And then we had like the woman's online shop there. I say they need minimum 8 months planning period, but 1 year is more optimal, of course, so that they always know what's going to happen in the coming 8 to 12 months. The fishing equipment company should have at least 1.5 years, because they have not only physical shop, they need to plan these tours, they need to have a control over what's happened with the fishing permits for the different lakes and so on. So, and they need maybe to order some special products and so on. So they should be longer like that. And the software for the importers, well, they have to have a separate time period for developing the software. That's one planning. And how long time will it take? Is it 3 months or is it 1.5 years? I don't know. Depends on how complicated they're doing it. And then they have to have a planning what happens when they have this software ready. So when they are marketing it, when they are selling it and so on. And then they maybe need both a monthly planning and a yearly planning and so on. So just come back to that on the next part. But you have to find out in the rolling planning for how long time do you think you need to have the eyes all the time when you're up and running. And definitely you need also have to understanding of the startup period.